face with my favorite face wash. I'll get into my skincare in a different videos. But after washing my face, I am going to put on moisturizer. And I'm using my Clinique face lotions. A little bit of this goes a long way. And it really helps moisturize my skin and prep for my makeup. Now I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil. I like to drag the end of my eyebrows out so that it balances with my eye makeup. Okay, now I'm going to brush it out. Moving on to foundations, I am going to use my damp beauty blender and my foundation. I like to put it a little bit on the back of my hand, just a little. Then apply it onto my skin. And then blend it out. Then I'm going to use the rest of the foundations to cover up all my blemishes and imperfections. Then I am going to use my concealer. It is one shade lighter than my foundations, just to brighten up the under eyes. And I also get dark, the 5 o'clock shadows around my mouth area, so I'm going to put a little bit there also. The bridge of my nose and my chin. Blending out with the beauty blender again. And I really love this concealer from e.l.f. It is not expensive and it works really well with my skin and does a very good job brightening. I'm going to bake my face. It smells like peaches. And I'm going to leave that for a couple minutes. So today I'm just going for a very natural look, nothing too crazy. And I also have lash extensions on, so I'm trying not to do too much to my eyes. And I won't be using any lashes today. Using an eyeshadow brush, I am going to use a burgundy color and apply it onto my lid. Then I'm going to grab some brown eyeshadow onto a crease brush and apply it onto my crease, focusing mostly on the outer corner, bringing it in. Then I'm going to blend it out. And now I'm going to dust away my baking. Since I have a very almond looking eye, what I like to do is to grab a little bit of my concealer with a concealing brush and clean out the edge of my eyeshadow so it looks lifted. Then I'm going to wipe off the foundation on my lip and put lip balm on so I can prep them for lipstick. Then I'm going to contour my face. I like to hold my brush upward so that it gives my face a more lifted look. And then blending it upward towards my ear. To my forehead and temple. Also putting a little bit on my jawline. Now I'm going to contour my nose so it will look snatched. I like to bring it into my crease also so it looks more natural, and it also helps deepen up my eyes. Moving on to highlight, I am going to grab an eyeshadow brush and a little bit of MAC Fix Plus, spray onto the brush. Then I'm going to grab my highlight and applying it under my brow bones. And then my nose. Then I'm going to set my face with the MAC Fix Plus. And while that's drying, I'm going to grab some highlighter onto this brush and applying it onto my cheeks. Last but not least, lipstick. I've been obsessed with this Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the color Give Me Mocha. It's just, to me, it is just the perfect shade. Alrighty, this is all for my makeup. This is one of those looks that I like to do when I'm running errands and I want a little bit of makeup but not a full glam. Again, I am in no way an MUA. This is just the way that I like to do mine. So thank you guys for watching my first ever Get Ready With Me video. I am going to link all of the products that I use down below. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.